How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting beautiful Christmas decoration idea that will make your home and shine, and it's an amazing outstanding different Christmas home decoration ideas because Christmas is the season when every home starts to shine with love, peace and beautiful decoration. Why you decorate, remember that even small details can bring big happiness. Start with a calm heart because decorations looks best when your mind is peaceful. Your Christmas tree is the main start of your home, so choose a perfect spot for it. Add warm lights to the tree to make it glow like soft winter. Try mixing big and small ornaments for a balanced and elegant look. Use colors that match red, white, green, gold, and silver. Always look beautiful. And if you prefer a soft aesthetic, use pastel ornaments for a dreamy feel. Place a shining star on top of the tree to complete the holiday look. And pine cones are simple but bring warm, natural vibe to your decoration. Add glitter to pine cones to make them sparkle like snowy nights. Burlap ribbons give the tree a farmhouse cozy style that looks very natural. Wrap your tree with ribbon for a soft, flowing, elegant look. Hang a wreath on your door to welcome guests with Christmas joy. A simple wreath looks modern while a decorated one looks festive. Use fairy lights around windows to create a soft glowing atmosphere. Candles add warmth and peace to the room. Use them for a cozy effect. Use scented candles like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla for holiday fragrance. Decorate your stairs with green garland and lights for a magical entryway. Add small ornaments to your garlands for extra charm. Add small ornaments to your garland for extra charm, and if you love a clean look, choose white and silver decoration. Snowflake ornament bring a winter wonderland feeling to any space. Create a small Christmas village for a cut storytelling decoration. Add tiny houses, trees, and snow to make the village look alive. Decorate your dining table with greenery, candles, and a soft table runner. If your table sample for a classic and elegant holiday dinner. Hang stocking for a festive and warm Christmas tradition. Personalized stockings add love and meaning to your decor. Add cozy cushions and blanket for a warm holiday mood. Choose fabrics like wool and velvet to give your room a winter feel. Keep your decorations neat and organized for a beautiful finish. Check your lights before hanging them to avoid broken or dead bulbs. Take your time, beautiful decorating happens slowly, not rushed. Mix old memories and new decor to create a story in your home. Handmade crafts bring a personal touch and snow your creativity. Use recycled materials to decorate and protect the environment. Decorate your entrance so your guests feel Christmas magic right away. A small Christmas welcome mat adds extra charm to your home. Create a photo corner with lights for fun holiday picture. Use snow spray on windows to make them look like winter morning. Choose soft lights instead of bright white lights for a calm mood. Play soft Christmas music while decorating to enjoy the moment more. Keep fragile ornaments away from children to avoid accident. Store your decorations safely so you can use them for many years. Don't copy others. Decorate in a style that makes you happy. Spread kindness during the holidays because Christmas is about love. Share small gifts or sweets with neighbors and family. Enjoy the beauty you create, sit, relax, and feel the holiday magic. Remember, friends, Christmas is not about perfection, it's about warm joy. And may your home stay full of light, happy holiday, peace, and endless happiness. It's an amazing, outstanding, different, demanding Christmas home decoration ideas. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very amazing and very creative, highly demanding Christmas decoration ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you. And thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.